I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ Market site in Times Square, and today I'm talking to some people from the Antidote platform. And this platform promises to give people equal access to profitable investment tools using artificial intelligence. It's integrated with the world's leading exchanges and banks, and it frees you from the need to analyze charts and monitor trades manually. So with me, Olga, Vladi, the Chief Community Officer for the Commonwealth of Independent States. Hello, welcome from Moscow. So we've got
Yeah,
truly
thank you.
global guests here today.
Yeah, that is so. Yeah, thank you, Jane.
It's amazing, like what Zoom can do. Max Cosciug, the Chief Community Officer for Europe, and Anastasia Meira in Dubai, the Chief Development Officer. So let's tell us about yourselves and what you do and what the company does. Anastasia, do you want to take that over?
Yeah. Hi. Thank you, Jane, for having us here. So firstly, I want to introduce my colleagues. The first one is Olga. She's the CCO of the company and main speaker and representative of Antidote in the CIS countries or Russian-speaking countries. And here we have the Max. He's the CCO. He's working with European part of the market, and he's working with some of Russian-speaking markets as well. My name is Anastasia. I'm the CBDO of Antidote, responsible for the business development and the partnerships. My main role is to identify and develop new business opportunities around the world. So I'm the person who is making the Antidote grow. I want to explain a little bit more about our company. We are the developer of the new generation trading platform that combines modern AI technologies and HFT algorithms. Our main specialization is high-frequency arbitrage trading in financial markets. The key element of our platform is the Antidote AI. Is an automated artificial intelligence system, a powerful trading bot that can analyze millions of data points from various trading platforms around the clock and apply the machine learning algorithms to identify arbitrage opportunities. This is a little bit more about our company, what we are doing. And yeah, we can start with the questions.
Yeah. So, I mean, you claim to have a stable fixed return, but how do you maintain stable return? So I listened to the information about the bot. We know the financial markets can be quite volatile at times, especially when unexpected things happen. So Anastasia, how are you able to provide those stable returns?
Okay, you make a good point. It's necessary to realize that no arbitrage bot is able to generate a stable fixed income. In general, nothing can be stable in the financial markets. So in good periods, when the market is high and exchanges stocks are full of liquidity, it can reach even 3% per day. In low periods, it can be zero profit or even losses. On the individual trades are possible for sure. The average realistic estimate of Antidote AI's stable daily return is about 1.5. I want to add more information that 2023, we created our fund to ensure returns for our investors. It was created from the profits we managed to earn before launching the platform and attracting the first investors. The fund's objectives is to equalize daily distribution to investors by two things. The first one is constant refilling of the fund during the high periods by reorganizing a part of excess profits from arbitrage. And the second one is making payments to investors from the fund resources during periods of low or zero period. But let me make it clear at once that providing stable payments to investors is a secondary function of our fund. The key item of the fund is the affiliate marketing program. So thank you. Yeah, I think I'm done. We can make the next one.
Yeah, let's bring Max in to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. How long, Anastasia mentioned the arbitrage, how long will the bot maintain high profitability with an arbitrage opportunity, and when would the markets become exhausted?
In 2024, as new investors are attracted, Antidote's trading liquidity will continue to grow, leading to a further natural decline in arbitrage opportunities and bot returns. The company plans to gradually reduce guaranteed return rates in line with the following levels. First, until the capital of 150 million is reached, the yield is fixed at 0.9 to 1.3% per day. After reaching a capital of 150 million, all investors' yield is reduced to 0.8% per day, regardless of deposit size. Upon reaching a capital of $180 million, the yield will be reduced to 0.5 per day, and a capital of 240 million will further reduce the yield to 0.3 per day. Such a step-by-step algorithm of rate changes will allow Antidote to adjust to real market conditions, maintaining attractive conditions for investors at the early stage of community formation, followed by a smooth transition to more moderate by economically justified profit levels. The current strategy of delivering high returns to investors is a conscious sacrifice of a portion of profits to achieve ambitious long-term goals. Antidote is doing this to accelerate the building of a base of committed supporters who will then become a foundation for the realization of the company's global plans. Thank you.
Thank you. And Olga, explain Antidote's goals in the near and medium term.
Yeah, thank you, Jane, for this question. So I guess you all mentioned that we are very good in math, in AI, but we have another core, just like it's our near future goals. So going with the points, we are planning to, and we are developing a sustainable community of investors who shares the company values and goals. The second point is that we are ensuring investors receive a stable income by allocating the majority of profits of the platform. Third, transforming investors into partners actively involved in the company's development. At the fourth, building social capital through the development of a close community with substantial financial resources. And fifth, but not at last, but not the least, investing in the creation of social capital as a competitive advantage and key to achieving global strategic goals. So if you may see, it's all about creating social capital. Yes, thank you, Jane.
So what's it all for? I mean, obviously you're not creating a closed community for the sake of just creating a closed community. Why are you creating? What's the overall mission? Who wants to jump in?
So we are building the Antidote closed community to create a global digital platform for financial freedom. Our goal is to provide access to advanced financial tools and technologies, democratizing profitable markets for everyone. Our application will be a central hub offering features like arbitrage trading, rental of trading bots, and connecting users with professional traders. We'll also offer educational programs to improve financial literacy and cooperate with insurance companies for asset protection. Affiliate marketing helps us spread our message of financial independence with registration by invitation to maintain trust within the community. Every new member is a new voice in our global movement to democratize financial markets and equal access to tools.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Got it. So, and Olga, how do you plan to develop the community? Are there events or what's your plan there?
Yeah, Jane, thank you for the question. So in the upcoming month, we have absolutely great plans. So we are starting to raise a marketing campaign in Forbes, in other media. Also, today we are live at NASDAQ, and this is another key point, how we're going to build this community, just showing us. But this is not all. We are also initiate a global BRICS initiative to establish Antidote Academy educational centers in Brazil, Kazakhstan, United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. So focusing on financial literacy, like Max mentioned. Additionally, we will host offline events such as business meetings and industry conferences like GTEx Global Dubai, London Tech Week. Also, we will introduce a demo version of the Antidote AI trading terminal and launch a next generation application. And Max also mentioned all these features like trading boards, work with traders, also large-scale offline conferences with industry gurus, and participation with all our community around the world. Like you see, we are absolutely global. But that's not all. We are planning to go offline more and open hubs and representative offices in megacities like London, Rio de Janeiro, Almaty. And these are just some of the items in our plans for the year ahead. So we are creating a truly global ecosystem for like-minded people from all over the world, and we are doing all before your eyes. Thank you, Jane.
Thanks, Olga. So, Anastasia, let's wrap things up with you. What do you see as the ultimate goal? What are you striving for, the mission, and how can somebody find out more about what Antidote is doing?
Okay, thank you so much for this so important question, Jane. I want to share our mission and our goal. So at Antidote, we aim to change the democratic financial world by giving everyone the opportunity to access the same technologies and markets that were previously available just to the big and important players. I think you know what I mean. Antidote is more than just an innovative trading platform. We aim to bring about a profound change in the financial industry, and we want to make a transition to a new era of financial equality. Thanks to advanced technologies such as Antidote AI, we can level the barriers to entry into markets and give absolutely everyone, access to the same tools and opportunities. Ultimately, our mission is not just to create another financial platform, but to lay the foundation of a new, fair, and more democratic financial order where everyone, regardless of their starting point, can realize their ambitions and turn their dreams into reality. When you join Antidote, you become part of a great movement. So join us because the future should belong to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. And how can somebody find out more? Is there a website or where can they go?
Yeah, we have a website, we have our platform, we have our social media, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram. So if someone wants to find us, we have all these social media. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was great to see you all over the world. We're in the US and Asia and Europe, so it's awesome. So thank you so much, Olga and Anastasia and Max.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jane.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was an amazing. Thank you.
Thank you.